Is a knee brace helpful for chronic knee pain? How long should you wear it? And should you wear it when you sleep? Today I'll answer all of these questions and help you understand when a knee brace can make a difference. Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Cameron, and for the last 24 years, I've been helping the Lucan community to get rid of neck, back, and knee pain. Did you know that more than 1 in 5 knee replacement patients still experience chronic knee pain after surgery? This is often a frustrating and surprising issue for people who thought surgery would solve their problems. If you've been trying to rehab your knee but are still dealing with pain, a knee brace could be a key part of the solution for you. Let's dive into it. A knee brace can be helpful if you're having symptoms like popping, clicking, or grinding sounds coming from your knee, especially if these sounds are accompanied by pain. These noises are often point to an alignment issue and loose ligaments. In many cases, knee pain is accompanied by instability due to weakened ligaments. A brace with hinges and metal brackets can help stabilize the joint. I like this particular brace because it has metal hinges on both sides to help keep the knee stable. While the brand isn't important, the key feature is the hinge support. A simple sleeve without hinges might offer some peace of mind, but it won't provide the level of support needed if you have arthritis causing the pain in your knees. So when should you wear a knee brace? The general rule is to wear it whenever you're on your feet for an extended period of time, whether you're doing chores, walking around the house, or heading outside. Having the brace on during these activities can make the pressure off the knees and allow you to heal faster. If you're just sitting around or lying down and you need to get up for a short period of time, you can probably skip the brace. Now, should you sleep with it on? It's okay to wear the brace while sleeping if it makes you feel more comfortable. But the most important thing is to get quality sleep. If the brace is disrupting your sleep, then it's probably better to take it off for the night. How long should you use a brace for? This depends on your situation. My advice is to simply wear the brace if it's providing relief. But if the pain doesn't improve after consistent use, or if your pain has completely gone away for 3 months or more, you may not need the brace anymore. Some patients find that they only need the brace intermittently after they have experienced a complete recovery, maybe using it on days when their symptoms flare up. If your pain persists despite using the brace, you may have other underlying issues that need to be addressed. One of the most common reasons for ongoing pain and instability with the knee is arthritis or knee replacement surgery. Over time, certain muscles may weaken while others become overworked, leading to too much pressure on the knee joint. This can cause the popping, clicking pain, and swelling. Fixing this muscle imbalance is critical to achieving long-term relief. I've got plenty of resources on this channel and an online knee arthritis recovery program if you're interested. To sum it up, number 1, a knee brace with hinges can help stabilize your knee if you're experiencing popping, clicking, and instability. Number 2, wear the brace when you're on your feet for extended periods, and you can sleep in it if it makes you more comfortable. 3, use the brace as long as it provides relief, but if the pain continues or disappears for more than 3 months, it might be time to phase the brace out. Number 4, don't forget to address the underlying muscle imbalances to ensure long-term stability and pain relief. If you've been suffering with chronic knee pain for more than 6 months, you aren't seeing the results you need, maybe it's time to give us a call. 519-227-1363. We can help you find the right approach to get you back to living pain-free. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on knee pain relief.